392 gang. It's your boy 392 Rollin. I'm on my way out here to a night meet out off of Three Oaks Parkway out here by Estero. Should be a good turnout. It usually is. I'm gonna go out here and give you guys some footage. Hope you guys enjoy it. Also look forward to some new videos that I'm gonna be uploading here soon. I'm gonna also give you an update on my 2005 Magnum that which is my next project car. Give you guys some details on what I'm gonna do to it and what process that I'm in now. But for now, hit that intro. It's my man right here. This is his wide body. Wide body. Wide body. And he got the wheels on there. He got the wheels on there. The wheels on there. He got the wheels on there now. As you know, when he bought this car, people, it had the smaller wheels, so whoever got rid of it, they took the wheels off, which is a punk move, but my man, it didn't take him long to get his wheels on there, so he got the wide body wheels on there. Looking good, man. Yeah. Looking good. I can't wait to see what else he gonna do to it. I know he got some tricks up his sleeve.
Yeah. I got something. I'm gonna hop back in the bag.
Oh yeah, he gonna hop back in the bag. You gotta build up the bag, you know. It's all about preparing for what you gonna do, man. I like it. It's nice. I'm happy for him.
I appreciate it.
Fernando has a nice one too.
Yeah, and that interior's killer, bro.
Yeah.
And that steering wheel too.
Yeah. Nice old scatty. Red inside. Of course, he's parked next to the big hog. Hit my links up, subscribe, YouTube channel, Instagram. Carbon fiber is popping off of it. Look at that, it look like diamonds on there. Nice. Let's walk around and see what's around here. That video of me riding in the Tesla and it scared the hell out of me is right here. My buddy Jay, he got his Tesla out here. He also got two buddies out here who brought their Teslas. This is one of them, which is pretty nice. Lowered. Got the front splitter on, got the lights. It's nice. His other buddies, you know what I'm saying? Got the neon lights underneath. This is his other buddy. It's nice. Got the I would say a luggage rack, but I don't know what that is. Diving board, not a diving board, but I don't know, a surfboard rack or whatever it's called. It looks nice on there. Wrapmytesla.com. It's nice. Got the little spoiler on it. Got the lights around the seats. Look at that. It's nice. You got a little wrap on there too. His look like mine. It's just white. My boy Eric's is Dodge Ram. He's gonna be getting rid of this. He already got a shaker hood that he's gonna come out with. So this will probably be the last time you see the Dodge. Said he missed going fast, so he's gonna go back and get a 6.4 Challenge one. He had a Hellcat and then went and got a Scat Pack and then went and got this truck. Now he's going back to a Scat Pack. My boy Jake right here. This is the one I rode in. This is the Tesla that made me famous. This is the one that I rode in that scared the hell out of me. Tesla Plaid. Tell you, boy, these cars is fast, man. Fast. A few people out tonight. Just hanging out, ain't really doing nothing too spectacular, you know.
No se puede salir para la yeca y yo con una nota que me tiene haciendo mueca. Me voy a tragar un par de malas para dividir la fiesta. Y quiero una pastillita de la que el doctor receta. Ese perro que tú tienes no la traes lo que se mueve. No estamos tocando y tenemos virar la cuenta. Si me trae una juga que me la traigas de venta. Pero que mi verifica ahora nos falta la cuenta.
They got the little bike motor show over here. All the bikes.
A mí me gusta como ese chorizo mueve de mi para la cura y como rico mueve por esta de la joya.
392 Rollin. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Hit that like button. Ooh, at the blue lights. Get the blue lights. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you tuned in, check out some other videos I got on my page. My Instagram, 392_Rollin_. Check it out. This is how we do it, man. Down there just kicking it. Having fun. Having fun, representing my team, Dallas, you know. Just hanging out for the night. Hope you guys enjoy the footage. Hope you guys look forward for the new videos that's gonna be uploaded. Oh man. What's up with you, man?
You haven't seen this man in a minute.
Yeah. Another scatty. Or RT, what? I get confused. Thanks for tuning in. As I always say, love, peace, hair grease.
Says he makes like, why doesn't he want to run?
This is part 2, guys.
Part 2.
Remember this? Remember last time he scared the hell out of me. This Tesla Jake. Hit him up on his Instagram. It's at Tesla Jake. A lot of videos and stuff. 392 Rollin here.
All right, hold on. Hold the camera to get a gas here. Hold on. Oh my. Right. No one's there.
Yeah.
Brake. Gas.
Look at the screen.
Ready? Yeah. There we go.
Woo!
There we go, baby.
Woo! That first, I'll tell you what, that first 15 seconds, man. Once you get past that, it ain't, you don't feel that. You don't feel that no more.
Yeah, once you get past like 60, 70.
That's kind of like a roller coaster ride. When you go down, that's what it feels like.
Traction. I mean, it would.
I know. I was
pull so much harder. It was a Taurus. Oh, he beat the Mustang.
Yes, a few Mustangs up here really ain't too fast. They loud, but they're not too fast.
Yeah, they all show no go.
And what percentage are you at right now?
74.
And you did how many runs? 5? Did you? That was 6
run probably actually. Yeah.
It's not bad. So
I
what
got
is
here
it?
with 90. So you use 15%.
Yeah, you said you had to go charge it and stuff.
I use 15%. Thank you. What did we run last one? 6.5. That guy ran a 6.6.
Unbelievable.
And we just did it with 4 people. 1.760 foot at 114.
Hey, now you know how fast your car goes
With 4 people.
4 people. 6.5 at best.
So if I'm gonna race someone,
How fast did you go?
I know.
How fast did you go?
114. Normally it's like 120.
That's still crazy.
Tesla Jake. Ooh, them things is quick. Tesla Plaid. Tesla Plaid and Porsche Taycan. Should be a good race here.
This is gonna be a good race.
It's gonna be a real good race. Jake got his ass. It's my homeboy Nick's car. Sexy. Yeah, I know, Booty Patrol. I know, right? Booty Patrol. The thing, and I don't know, we'll probably need to find somewhere else. I got Mercado in the morning, Mercado in Naples show in the morning. So I went to Port Charlotte early this morning, and then went to right over here off of Parkway. And we came up here to the racetrack now. Probably finna hang out for a little bit and go home, get some sleep, and I gotta get up early to go to Mercado. So, and then I go back to work tomorrow night. So it's hectic. It's fun though. I love doing this. I got 2 YouTube videos coming up. One from tonight, and I got the one from Sarasota that I went to last Saturday. So look forward for those videos. I did a live on Facebook earlier on up here. So, you know, your boy out here making moves. I got my Magnum in the shop, my 2005 Magnum in the shop. That's gonna be coming out. I'm getting the insides and all that stuff done so I can bring that out. So, also been looking at a Jeep Gladiator. I'm thinking about getting one of those, the Jeep truck. So, You know, boys been working hard out here, working hard at work, putting in them hours, you know, generating that bag, and you know, got a house that I'm gonna be buying coming up soon. It's just, you know, I only been here 4 years, man. I'm trying to make it happen. So appreciate everybody's love and support that I've been getting, and all the people I met down there and friends and stuff. I appreciate everybody. But until next time, I'm probably finna get out of here. Hey, I appreciate it. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate the subscribe. I was supposed to actually, I was invited to be in a rap video tonight out there in Gateway, out there in Naples tonight. But I was supposed to be here at 9 o'clock, and they wanted me to do burnouts and donuts and stuff there at his rap video and stuff. But you know, all money ain't good money. I was gonna do it at first, and then I was like, man, I go out there and do all these burnouts and stuff. I'm gonna have to buy some tires. So my tires is like $400 a piece in the back. So 22-inch wide tires is expensive. So, but you know, I ain't mad at him, man. Shout out to Stepper K. That's who it was that wanted me to be in this rap video. So maybe next time, bro, we can link up and do something, man. This time was kind of, you know, the timing was kind of bad. I already had other things going on today, and I'm trying to set up a meet up there at. Well, actually, I'm going to set up a meet up there at Top Golf. I'm gonna let everybody know 2 weeks in advance on the time and the day. The day will probably be a Saturday afternoon. We can't go up there at night because it'd be so packed at night that we wouldn't be able to have nowhere to park. So it would be like in the mid-afternoon, somewhere around that time. Hopefully it don't be too warm outside. We can kind of enjoy ourselves, go in there, hit some balls, and kind of, you know, lounge and enjoy each other's company, man. You know, ain't nothing but love for me, man. You know, appreciate everybody out there, man. Keep doing your thing. Keep generating towards that bag. Keep all negative energy away from you. Stay focused on what you're trying to do, and you'll be all right. Trust God. Peace.
Ready?
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Set.
Oh! Oh, shit! Oh, man!